John Engler has time for basketball games, but not enough time to answer questions about the Larry Nassar investigation. That's according to Attorney General Dana Nessel. She says Engler is ducking her interview requests and wants the MSU Board of Trustees to help. Fox 47's Alani Latang has been digging into the story.
The Attorney General says she asked Engler for an interview earlier this year, even offering to meet him in Washington, where he now works. She claims they settled on March 28th because Engler wouldn't be back in Michigan anytime soon. But then Engler was spotted at the Breslin Center for the Michigan State basketball game on March 9th. It's not the only game he's attended since resigning as interim president. In an email to trustee Dianne Byrum, Nessel said Engler's unwillingness to cooperate, yet happily sit courtside to watch the men's basketball team on multiple occasions, speaks volumes about allegations of a culture of indifference on campus. Engler's lawyer called that one example of Nessel's bias against their client. They say at no time did Engler refuse to travel to Michigan or refuse to sit for a voluntary interview. They also aren't happy that Nessel hinted that Engler wanted to be interviewed in Washington because the penalty for lying to law enforcement is not as tough there as it is in Michigan. MSU Board of Trustees Chairwoman Dianne Byrum responded to the Attorney General's request for help by saying she was unaware the AG's office had been unable to secure a meeting with Engler. She goes on to say that she agrees with the AG's position that Engler should honor the request to meet and fully cooperate. Alani Latang, Fox 47 News.
The board will review Engler's contract to determine how they can help make an interview happen. Byrum says this will not be an action item on the agenda for the next Board of Trustees meeting, but she does plan to include a public statement during her comments to put the board on the record supporting the Attorney General's request. The president before Engler, Luana K. Simon, is charged with lying to investigators in the Nassar case. Prosecutors claim she lied about when she first learned Nassar was being accused of sexual assault.